there's two. Two Mr. Policeman.
Wow.
Look, one. Let's say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Interrupting your breakfast.
It looks like Marius, doesn't it?
Made your day, didn't it?
Say thank you very much.
It was really good. Thank you.
What's this?
Friska.
Look, it's white and blue and orange too.
Whoa, yeah, big noise. Scared you.
Beauty. Has it got a name?
Oh, it's a bit old and tired. Some of the bits are missing off it, but
Yeah. Hello. It's really getting
Little plastic one.
yeah, just made out of yeah, it's a special foam. It's what they call EPO
What's
foam.
made of
It's a
foam?
Oh, okay.
high density foam.
Mummy.
Look at Mummy. 1, 2, 3.
It's a big plane, isn't it?
That's pretty cool.
It's only foam,
It's
Nikki.
bigger than you.
I thought it would be fiberglass.
It's bigger than you.
Well, you want to come here when the
Look at the little
jets and things are on. Then you'll see some really spectacular stuff.
Oh, look this! Look at this! Oh, look at how big that one is too. There's so many planes.
Yeah, that's a big glider. That one.
This one, blue.
Whee! Look! Oh, the red one.
Oh, it's upside down, isn't it?
Whee! Look, there's the real one up there.
real one.
You can mix with the real one. Whee! Look how high it goes.
Loop the loop.
Loop the loop is right. Oh, Mimi, I'd like to be sitting in that.
Can you hear plane?
Yeah, the big one. Look at the big one.
Plane?
Right. Which one remembers next to you?
Look, big plane.
You come.
Look at this one. A little one.
What are they, Tyler?
Oh, they're doing stunts. Oh, it's catching up. Whoa!
Red.
Look at that.
Red.
Oh, look. Oh, we need to come here and sit down with our chairs and our coffee and our newspaper and just...
Look at this red one.
Oh, look at that one. We have to come on the weekend.
Oh,
it's like
you're
a
doing
space
triple
shuttle.
somersaults.
Look at this one. Whoa!
Airplane.
Airplanes. Here comes the other one. Wow. Oh, it's upside down.
Wow.
Tyler. Tyler. Yay! What a good show.
Hey, was this a good idea?
And free.
What a mummy's good idea.
Want a drink?
We used to bring your mummy and Uncle Tyson here when they were little. They used
Oh, that one goes fast.
What? I don't have any.
Tyler.
What's the ankle big witchery grub?
Tyler, turn around. Tyler.
Tell mummy, grub. Grub. Look,
Hip,
there's a big one up there.
Tyler. Tyler.
Hip hip.
Tyler, turn. Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Don't do it over there. If I get it.
Hip, hip.
Tyler. Hey,
Hip, hip.
Tyler. Hip, hip. Hooray.
Why?
This way. Look at Mummy do it.
Hip hip.
Over here. Stand there. Stand there.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Hip hip. Aeroplane up in the sky.
Tyler.
Hip hip.
Tyler.
Hip hip.
Tyler, Mummy, this way.
No.
Look at Meme enjoying it.
Yeah, I'm trying. Come on. What's this one? Then they're going to look at this one.
That's a big one.
There's more up here.
Oh, look.
The back one.
The first one, he wants to be the pilot.
Go in the front.
Zoom, zoom. Darling.
Yay!
Is that an explosion?
What's this? Bucky! Hello, Mimi. Hello, Bucky.
Oh, look at the jet plane.
Careful, careful, careful. Settle. Hey, slow down. Slowly, because you're going to fall and hurt yourself.
Are you excited?
It's good up here.
Oops.
Oopsie! Oh dear.
What's these things do? Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Look at the plane down there. Look, ready? Look at the plane. See? And look, it looks like the Colosseum down there.